How to change the color of Google Calendar events. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your device. If you want to create a new event, press on the date. After you've pressed on the date, to add different color, what you can do is simply add the title at the top of your event. Then at the bottom, click on your name. After you click on your name at the bottom, you'll find an option which is event color. Select the color you want and then press on save at the bottom. After it's saved, it will be changed into that color. But if you already have an event and you want to change color of that, simply click on the date where your event is and click on the event. After you've clicked on the event, click on the pencil-like icon at the top, which is Edit Event. After that, in here, you will find Event Color. Select the event color you want, as you will find different options. After you've clicked on the color, press on Save at the top and your color will be changed. This is how to change the color of Google Calendar events. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.